Are you really proud of where you live? Well, now is your chance to celebrate it with the Today Show Town of the Month. So if you're lucky enough to live in a place where people value their community, we want to hear all about it. Or maybe you've got a big event coming up. All you have to do is make a video celebrating your town and tell us why it should be the Today Show Town of the Month. Each month, the winning town will receive a visit from myself and the Today Show crew. All the details are on our Facebook page, or you can contact us directly at today@rte.ie. Get your entries in as soon as you can.